Hey guys, today I'll be giving you 3 widgets you can use on your Notion page to make it more aesthetic and also much more productive. And I'm totally just not holding. The first widget I want to talk to you about is the Spotify widget. So the Spotify widget lets you add in any song or playlist you want into your Notion page. First, find a song or playlist you want to add. Then go to the song settings and hover over share. And then now you can customize by changing the colors and dimensions of the embedding. When you're done, click copy. Go back into Notion, create an embedding, and paste in what you copied. Now you have a fully functional Spotify playlist. The second widget I want to share with you guys is a Notion Quotes widget, which gives you a new quote every single time you revisit the page with the quote block you added in. First, type in Notion Quote widget into Google, and then click on the first thing that pops up. There you can customize your quote block by changing between light and dark mode, and also the size of it. Next, press the copy button and then head back to Notion. Type in the thing at the start of every URL and paste the URL because the website's copy button is broken. Now you have a fully functional quote block from Buddha. The third widget I want to share with you guys is just GIFs. You can usually find any GIFs and embed them in Notion. However, I found a really good GitHub page with a library full of Notion widgets that are free to use for everyone. Type in Notion GIFs GitHub on Google and then click on the link. Afterwards, find the bunny folder and download bunny. Now embed it into Notion, and now you have a sleeping bunny next to you while you lock in your bed.